What if I told you that your TV in your lounge, in your sitting room, in your TV room, costs more than starting a online digital marketing business that teaches you how to make 6 figures in 6 months? Friends, if you don't know me, my name is Cherie. I was a single, stressed, overwhelmed, and broke mum for many, many years, bringing up my 3 children. And I was retrenched in April this year, and I had to find a solution to change that generational struggle that I have grown up with and lived through my entire life. And I realized it had to end with me. And for it to end with me, I had to say yes. I had to make a change. And I had to make a decision in my world, in my life. So I said yes to a program that has taught me step by step how to put in a 2-hour workday, how to make 100% profit, how to build an online brand, and how to promote myself to attract customers to me so that I don't have to sell or recruit. If you're looking for something like that, my friends, this is the opportunity for you. Whether it's a side hustle, whether it's to replace your current income, or whether it's to supplement your income. This business has given me the opportunity to be able to dream again and to have time with my children to create forever memories. If you're ready to take a look at this opportunity, put one in the comments. I'd love to send you further information.